In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a contact on Microsoft Teams. We'll walk through this slowly so you can follow along on your own screen, even if you're completely new to Teams. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what everything means, so adding people becomes quick and simple. First, make sure you've opened the Microsoft Teams app on your computer and that you're signed in with your work or school account. Once Teams is open, look toward the top right corner of the window. You should see your profile picture or initials, and next to that, a small icon with 3 vertical dots. Those 3 dots are often called the More Options menu. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. This opens a small drop-down menu with several options that let you adjust how Teams behaves. From this menu, you're going to look for the option labeled Settings. Click on Settings to open the main settings window. The settings area is where you control most of your Teams experience. You'll see various sections along the side, such as general preferences, notifications, and so on. For what we're doing today, you want to find and click on the section called People. This is the area that helps you manage contacts, see certain people more easily, and keep track of who you interact with most. Once you're in the People section, you'll see options related to managing and organizing your contacts. Depending on your version of Teams, you may see things like suggested contacts, recent people you've worked with, or buttons to add someone. Look for an option that lets you add or manage people, such as Add Contact, or similar wording. When you click that, you'll usually be asked to type in the person's name, email address, or other identifying information. As you start typing, Teams will search your organization's directory and show matches. Select the correct person from the list, then confirm your choice. After that, the person will be added to your contacts so you can find them more quickly, chat with them, or start calls and meetings without having to search every time. If you don't see the People section right away, make sure your app is up to date, and check that you're using the desktop version, since layouts can change over time. And that's all there is to it. Click the 3 dots, open Settings, go to People, and use that area to add and manage your contacts in Microsoft Teams.